Well, hello there, thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and as you can tell, I'm at a car show in Somerton, Arizona, which is south of Yuma, way down in the southwest corner of Arizona. But come on, join us. We'll take you through here, take a look at some of these cars, the ones I really like, kind of point out some different things that I saw on them. So hopefully I won't get unmonetized or get hit because all of this background music, they got a ton of it here. And some of it's pretty loud. But anyway, they got lots of places to eat down there at the other end. But today, it being a Saturday, the bulk of this is nothing but a car show. And lots of Impalas. We see some of these. Come on with us. You're going to take the Coolest Life Car Show Edition. Yet another Impala. Tons of chrome in the engine bay, but still lots of gold accents. Typically I see people go with one or the other. You're either gold or you're chrome. It's a good combination. This is more mostly chrome and with gold accents all in it. It's pretty cool. Check out his hydraulics in the back here. Yep, he's stocked. Trunk's full. Now there's a 56. There's a lot of cars here, but it really is. Check it out. There's a whole bunch of them down there. Of course, they got so much music and it's so loud. That was my wife holding her ears. I'm kind of sitting between the two right now. There's music at one end and music at the other end. Take a look at this one. You got all this business in the back. A lot of batteries, a lot of hydraulics, huh? Dang, you don't have it, right? El Camino. Yeah, that one. The three-wheeler. Got a few more that way. Bicycles. They're good, don't they? You always got like a bicycle accident. It seems like there's a lot of bicycles out here. Probably say there's 20 bicycles. This is a Continental 61. Good looking ride. It's got suicide doors on these that open on the other side. It's pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Love the lines. That's almost a gutter in there. You know what I'm saying? It's got that concave here. And over here is a 65. 65 Malibu. Looks like it's mostly all original in there, huh? That steering wheel's not, but the rest of it. Dashboard's nice and clean. Pretty cool. Look, original. Everything else in there. Almost missed this one. I caught it out of the corner of my eye because it wasn't all flashy and stuff like some of the rest of them. Man, it's clean. It's nice. Good looking ride. It's got Kragers on there. I love Kragers. My favorite. Love those. Oh, before we go with this one here, check it out. Yeah, that was not original. Nothing about the underneath the hood is original. I'm telling you, not a hose, nothing. Pretty cool. The 69 Chevelle Super Sport. Looking sweet. Looking sweet. The 396. Check out this one here. 29 Ford pickup. Oh yeah, I love those back tires there. He's got Kragers on there too. Love the Kragers. Supercharger on the inside of that one. top though. I don't think I've ever seen a tan top like this, especially with a matching visor. It's pretty tender. Cannot have a 57 Chevy. I'm sorry, I said that backwards. You cannot have a car show without a 57 Chevy. This is actually the two-tone seats in it. Convertible. Nice. Here's a 47. And stuff down that way, and some of the lowriders, and some of us here, they got the more same type year model, like a 39. It's just did a good job grouping them together. I don't know what the heck that is. Is that a heater or a yeah, thermidor car cooler. It's an old school air conditioner. Old school air conditioner there. They don't make those anymore. A 54 Chevrolet pickup. Looks good. It's got a spare tire on the other side. Looks good. Here's a 42, a lot like that other one we just saw. This one here has got that air conditioner too. That goes up there, that flute line right there. Nice. Let's go on inside. Have a seat, take a cruise. Cool looking car. I like that the you see this bumper here, this piece here. They'll close this down. Once they close that down, that bumper piece here pops up and and basically secures that latch. And for you muscle car people, here's a 71 Chevelle. Looks like you get a kick out of this one. Check out those wheels, huh? Those look good. I like those. Got all SS'd out on inside, custom seats, buckets. Different kind of shifter there. Good looking ride. There's a nice 61 Chevy pickup truck. Got the Corvette engine in it. They got best in show. Another place. Good looking ride. I sure hope I don't get monetized by these videos. With all this music in the background. Lots of cars to see. I'm not going to show you all of them, but there's lots of them here. Oh, isn't that a beauty? Chevrolet. Wow. Is it a 37? It's way back then, that's for sure. Wow, it's got original engine. So most of it's original, not all of it. Wow. I'll show you this big long two-door caddy here. It's right next to a really nice bike. For you bike fans. Good looking ride. He's at the Pintail exhaust. Jeff A. Look a bike. I hate that the music here is so stinking loud. Everywhere you turn the corners. At least that's a band there, so I won't get hit for a copyright on that one there. Man, it's just so loud. I mean, I'm a block from it. You can hear it thumping in here. I like the silver work. There's another, I think this is a 56. I love those wheels. Feel good. What I get it. Yep, it's a 56. Hey, lucky guess on me. It's a 56 or 57. I thought a lot of the 57's got a little sharper edges here. 56 is a little more round. And here's the classic 72 Buick Riviera. You can always tell they've got this distinctive back glass. I have never been a fan of this boat black glass. I do like the color on it. Nice two-tone painted colors. But man, those are hideous. That neighbor of mine used to have one. He had a red one, I believe it was. This is an area where they sell these RC cars. All these are drag racers, is what they are. Silver drag racers, I should say. I got a lot of them though. They look cool. That was kind of cool. He's got curb feelers on and everything. Like his skulls are pretty sweet. Hopefully he can check out this paint job. Looks like it's wet, but it's not. That one there's a little off the ground. Got some serious hydraulics there, huh? Which that for a jump, huh? Whole lowrider section here. Actually, these are all hydraulics in here. Check out that 67 Impala. Nice. Check out the work on this mirror. You don't see that. They all got those little bitty tires. Love these older cars. I don't know how they customize. They just got such sexy lines. I don't think I've ever seen. You notice how that glass is shaped? See how it's pointed out? That one's got a visor on it. And then he's got one there in the middle too. 1940s. Chevy Master Deluxe with suicide doors. Hopeville. Good stuff. Well, we had a good time at this festival. I would say it's a car show, which is, I would say, what, 60% of this is nothing but a car show. But they're going to do something here, this big maze. Corn festival, yeah, that's what it was. Anyway, pretty cool out here. We enjoyed it. We're going to let you go. Please like and subscribe, because we're just out here living.
The coolest life.
Here's the car show edition.